Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the channel where you learn the MS Excel from the very basics. I was not able to upload videos in my YouTube channel and you were not able to continue your learnings in the MS Excel for the past few days or for the past 1 month. Sorry for that, but today onwards we'll continue our learning in the MS Excel and you will be seeing the functions or the formulas or the different kinds of tasks which you could do in the MS Excel, which I'll be sharing with you through this channel, and you could learn to do your work in a faster and efficient manner. Today, let's look into a topic which is used in the MS Excel and which is also beneficial to automate a minute task of yours. Let's now go directly into the MS Excel and see what can we learn today. Today we learn something called as a table. Wait 1 minute. I'm not talking about that table which you could do by inserting a border and by giving the bold in the first row of your MS Excel and call it a table. No, this is something different and this is called as a table in itself because MS Excel creates a table if you command it to do so, and that way you could automate or the Excel could perform the work in a faster and efficient manner. We'll see it directly in the MS Excel, so watch the video till the very end so that you never miss any learnings in the MS Excel. By using the data in front of you, we'll look how can we insert a table in the MS Excel and do our work in a faster and efficient manner. There are two ways to do it, and First I'll go with the long way or the way which consumes a little bit of your time when compared to the second option. So the first option to do it is just select the data where you want to create a table and then you can go forward. This is the common for both the methods, that if you use the first method or the second method, the first step is usually selecting your entire data for which you want to create a table. So now over here there's a shortcut to select the entire data present over here rather than using your mouse and selecting it. For that, I need to place my cursor in the cell where the data is present, not anywhere outside where my data is present. Rather, where the data is present, I simply need to select any cell over there and press an shortcut key in the MS Excel to select all the fields or data in the MS Excel. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus A. If I press Ctrl plus A, you see that the entire data is selected, and now I need to go forward and place a table to my cell selected. For that, I will come to my Insert tab at the top menu and click on Table. Here it asks for Create Table. Where is the data for the table? I have already selected the data, so I need not select it again, and simply press OK. Now you see that the table is inserted to the following data and you could go and perform your function thereafter. This was the first method of selecting your table, and now we'll go into the second method of selecting your table, which is just by using a shortcut key in the MS Excel. So for now, I'll just undo whatever I done. For that, I click Ctrl plus Z and I have undone the option. Now we'll see how could we create a table by using the second option, that is by using a shortcut key in the MS Excel. As I had mentioned you earlier, for both the methods, the first step will be the same, that is I have to place my cursor anywhere in between the values and press Ctrl A so that the entire data is selected. Now the shortcut key to enable table in the MS Excel is Ctrl plus T. I press Ctrl plus T and it's asked for the same option as it asked earlier. I press OK and you see that my table is inserted. How do you know that the table is inserted? Now, if I click anywhere outside of my table, you see at the top menu, that is after the help and power pivot tab present over there, there is nothing written at the right hand side of the Power Pivot. Now if I come and click on anywhere in between the table, you see that here there is something called as table design. This means that the following data is presented in the form of table, and now if you want to take or remove the colors, I usually prefer going to the first option where only the drop down is written and nothing else and nothing color is displayed. Now, after creating a table, we'll see the uses of using the table. Otherwise, you would say, Suraj, this look exactly the same as it was looking prior using the table function, and the only difference seen over here is the filter present in the first row. No, it's not that. Now let's go further and see the benefits of using the table, and you will be amazed to use this function in your MS Excel. Now, if you see the data present over here very clearly, you see that you could see something over here, a blue color type thing which is present in the H15 column, which tells that my table selection is only till this row. If I want to again cross check it, I just need to come over here, click the drop down and click over here. You see that the table selection is only till the H15th cell. Now the first benefit of using the table is that if I type anything over here, suppose I type my name over here, and now I type 15, date will be 10/10/2010. I'll keep it D, amount 3,500 monthly. Now see this over here. As I type my name, you could see that the image or the one present at my H15 column has shifted to my H16 cell. Now if I come and simply click over here, you see that my table selection is not restricted till the H15 column, rather the H16 cell is also included, rather the 15th row is also selected over here. This is the first benefit of using the table. And the second benefit, if I put quarterly over here, and now if I type the amount over here, the amount in the H column will automatically type, and the Excel does not require me to come and insert a formula over there again. For example, if I type 3000 over here, you see that 12,000 is automatically entered over here, and this is absolutely correct because 3000 for quarterly means 12,000 annually. So the formula also comes automatically over here, and if I change it to monthly, you see that the amount also changes. This was the second use of the table, and there are many such benefits of using the table. We shall see it one by one in the coming videos as well. The main benefit of using a table is when we use the function called as VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, which will be taught to you in the coming videos. So to make sure that you watch the video and learn from it, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates and learnings in the MS Excel. I'll see you all in the next videos. Till then, continue your learning, keep smiling, and have a good day.